ACS, a Xerox company, is a global leader in business process outsourcing. ACS has continuously grown its footprint in India over the past decade. There are more than 6,000 employees located in Bangalore, Noida, Chennai and Kochi. The region of Kerala is a spectacular labyrinth of shimmering waterways, endless pillars of coconut trees and endless sun. Is known as God's own country. There is high availability of English-speaking people with formal qualifications in finance and accounting. The region produces 7,500 new accounting graduates and postgraduates annually from its 230 academic institutions. Kochi, the Queen of Arabian Sea, is 1 hour by air from Bangalore and is well connected with major international airports. Infopark is one of the newest business parks developed by the government of Kerala. It provides plug-and-play facilities with flexibility to ramp up new operations leveraging world-class infrastructure. ACS Kochi's site has grown to 2,000 plus employees in 5 years. Kochi facility combines high-quality F&A and procurement capabilities at low cost with a high availability of a multi-skilled, multi-talented workforce. It is integrated into a global network of 14 strategic service delivery locations, providing a full suite of F&A services to worldwide clients. Today, we have more than 200 people delivering services across 18 European countries and several countries in Asia Pacific. We process 1.2 million invoices at a first-time quality level of 99.8% with minimal dependency on any other ACS service delivery centers. General Motors, Michelin and Chrysler are notable customers of the Kochi operation. Chrysler first started using Kochi in 2008, supporting its US business, and has grown its accounts payable, fixed asset accounting and travel and expense process. The customer now enjoys high standards of efficiency and effectiveness driven by process standardization and the deployment of Lean Six Sigma methods. Six Sigma is the foundation pillar of our journey to operational excellence and zero defects. All ACS employees receive ongoing, rigorous training in all forms of continuous improvement, which is integral to a global skills development curriculum. The entire leadership in Kochi is formally trained as strategic change agents and are certified as Six Sigma champions.
As with any company, success with ACS takes hard work, commitment, leadership and desire. I've been with this company for a very short time and I've expanded my knowledge and visibility beyond my expectation.
Our employees play a key role to make a difference for our clients. With their office being an extension of their homes, ACS has a paternal attitude to supporting and developing them. We use a range of work and life balance initiatives designed to encourage and support job satisfaction, lowering stress, whilst maximizing the productivity and performance.
We arrange Friday fun activities, birthday celebrations, team outings. If those are absent, no amount of money can make people happy at work. Work should always be fun for all. We all have only one life. A third of life is work. Without desire and fun, work becomes dull. My company is the best place to work.
Realizing the importance of these activities and keeping the local sentiment in mind, we celebrate our events, which includes festivals, team bonding and fun learning activities.
A good work environment is one where employees feel free to express their ideas for change without fear of retribution from superiors. It's all about having a feeling of self-satisfaction and self-esteem. ACS makes me feeling like coming to the office every day.
All employees enjoy every moment of the celebrations and participate with complete vigor.
ACS strives to make a difference in the industry. We always ensure that we are exceeding the expectations of the client, thereby making a very strong name in the industry. We have very strong employee relation policies that makes us distinctly ahead from the other competitors in the industry.
The human resources function at ACS Xerox India takes its employee engagement as seriously as its other core deliverables such as career progression, learning and development, or compensation and benefits, and this is across all sites in India including Kochi. Employees work for our customers' operations and tend to reflect customer values and brand. The scope of employee engagement reaches all our employees in India at an individual level through our higher education assistance benefit. Group employee engagement activities are designed towards renewing and refreshing bonds between fellow colleagues and with the organization itself. Employee engagement at ACS in one word: bonding.
I have seen Kochi's site had grown from being a spoke of Bangalore operations to become another F&A hub in ACS India, which is handling end-to-end finance and accounting activities. Kochi F&A team has grown from 20 plus people in 2006 to more than 200 people today. I am proud that I am part of a team which is passionate, quality conscious, enthusiastic about new opportunities, and willing to go that extra mile to achieve customer delight.
We are proud of being responsive, flexible, and the most reliable, with a passion for integrity. ACS, a Xerox company.